What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great and lovely day. Oh, my thumb is in the freaking camera. I know it's been a while since I uploaded, but I've been busy and I haven't really had time, so I do want to apologize for that. So last video I actually recorded was on the performance brakes. If you guys don't know, what you guys shouldn't know because I never uploaded, I bought some performance brake because my brake pads and rotors were going out. So I was like, you know what, let me just get some drill and slotted rotors. And I recorded everything and whatnot, but then literally like the day I was going to record like my review on the brakes, one of my hoses for like the coolant system actually ripped. So I had to take it to a shop and it was sitting there for like a whole month because I had to order the hose on eBay that was actually coming from Lithuania, I think that's how you say it. And it took a month to get here to find out that it wasn't even the right part. So I had to send it back. The Mini Cooper just sat in the shop for like a month and a half before I got it back. Sorry. And then I was going to record another video about another part that I was going or thinking of getting. And my freaking engine decided to blow out the spark plug on cylinder 2 and take the threads with it. So then that set me back because I had to buy the kit to repair it because the shop wanted to charge me like $400 or $500 just to rethread the spark plug hole and you know, fix it. So instead I just did it myself. It was way cheaper. I paid a total of $105 for the actual repair kit and everything else, like the wheel bearing grease that I used because I didn't have any, so I used some wheel bearing grease to get like all the shaving stuck to it. So that, the spark plugs, all four, anti-seize, thread lock, and all those stuff, I ended up paying like $170 compared to the $400 or $500 they wanted to charge me. So I went ahead and did that and fixed it. And when I was gonna get back and do another video again, my freaking valve cover cracked. That's why I have a new valve cover. So right now we're actually going to install this valve cover. It comes with all new gaskets. So it comes with like the outside gasket and the spark plug gasket, which is a good thing because the valve cover I have right now actually doesn't have it. Also, by the way, I'm not going to go into too much detail on how to replace this because for the Mini Coopers, there are a lot of videos on how to replace the valve cover, and majority of those videos are like really good. Like they really go into depth more than I would. So if you guys want to like watch that, there's some videos out there. I am going to tell you guys like what obviously like what you have to take off, but I'm not going to go into details. I'm just going to show you guys, and then everything else will be time lapse. So let's get it. My step will be removing these bolts to get this out the way. Then you gotta remove this bolt, this one, take the intercooler off, and then you got some sleeves on here, and that'll be on. So valve cover supposed to be closed like this, and these two cracked, as you can see. You see, they're closed. So that's where the oil was coming out from. I turned it on and it actually turned on good. All right, so here we have the engine bay. I actually cleaned it. So I took the intercooler off and I actually cleaned it as best as I could to try to get as much of this off, or the dirt off. And then I actually polished it and it did an okay job. I am gonna buy a new one. The only reason was because I was actually trying to fix the fins, but they're just so messed up. There's no point in fixing it. So I'm gonna get a new one sometime in the future. There's actually no leak. But anyways, that's that. Right now I'm gonna let the car run just to burn off the excess oil that's on the heat shield. God, look like shit. But everything seems fine. I mean, I'm really happy how the engine bay turned out because now that I have a new valve cover, it looks cleaner because the old valve cover was like already faded. But now we have the new valve cover, which makes it look fresh. And I also cleaned the MSD coil pack just to give it a nice look for right now, as well as a intercooler. And I also cleaned the little I forgot what it's called, damn, that little bar in the front on the engine bay. But yeah, that's gonna be all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like I said, I apologize for the, you know, a long time of not posting, but I'm gonna try my best to keep you know, the upload. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next video, and peace.